Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App free money hack video. Okay, so here we are, we're taking a look at another Cash App hack. I've been making these and they're doing well on the channel, so I'm gonna keep making more, and they're pretty entertaining sometimes. So I just searched Cash App hack on YouTube, and today we're gonna take a look at this one right here. So let's go ahead and click on this. We've got easy Cash App cash glitch, really easy. Okay. Almost 5,000 views, 34 thumbs ups. Let's go ahead and click play and see what this is all about. I'm gonna break it down, see if it's legit, see if it's a scam. I've been using Cash App for a while, so it's pretty easy for me to tell.
What's up guys, it's Grossman back with another video.
He said, I'm gonna be showing you a free Cash App glitch that worked inside my brother's phone on his account. See, he just got money.
Okay, and that's how much you can do. So
Gonna be showing y'all. So he's saying request a high number of money. He's saying you can request it from this same person.
this says maximum hold or whatever.
This would exceed the maximum transaction amount. There's like people talking in the background. This is terrible. Requesting $100 now, I think it said. Or requesting $1. Is that the message that says for Obamacare?
Thanks
It's the dumbest thing I've ever watched. Thanks if you would for Obamacare. Oh my god. That was it? That was it?
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.